Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to view HDD or SSD model number as well as serial number in Windows 11 or 10 PC using command prompt. For this, first click on the start button and then type here CMD. In the search results, right click on the command prompt and select here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. In the command prompt window, you need to type WMIC a space disk drive a space get a space model comma name comma serial number and then press enter on the keyboard. This will display model number and then serial number of your HDD or SSD on your Windows PC. I will put this one command in this video description also. So if you need, you can copy it from there.